tributes have been paid to a tragic 5-year-old girl who died at her home after getting head-stuck disabled lift. Alexis Brown became trapped between the doors of the lift at her home on Emmerdale Close, Weymouth, Dorset, yesterday. It is believed parents Matthew and Lorraine Brown had installed the lift for disabled brother. Fire crews managed to cut little Alexis free, but paramedics could not save her and she was pronounced dead at the scene. A note left with flowers outside the house read, "Alexis, rest peace. I will always love you." From Megan. Mrs. Brown posted a picture of the youngster on social media, sparking hosts of online tributes from friends and family. Kaylee Jane Masters said, "So sorry for your loss, thinking of you all at this difficult time, RIP little Mjaleep XX." Lee Jane McConaughey said, "Taken too soon, so sorry Lorraine and Matt XXXX." Sjean Clunell said, "I don't know what to say, just know that you in our thoughts, so sorry Lorraine, Matt, all of the Amelie. You're a beautiful girl XXX." Becky Stokes wrote, "There are just no words. Deepest sympathies. My thoughts are with you, Matt, and the rest of the family at this tragic time XXXXXX." A family of 5 are believed to live in the house, where flowers, teddies and notes were left. Although the through-floor lift is believed to disability aid, Dorset County Council confirmed the authority had not installed the device at the property. One neighbor, who did not wish to be said, "I am devastated, they are a kind, loving family." Another resident said, "I think has hit everyone really hard." The coroner has been notified, and Dorset police have launched an investigation. The area nearby has been cordoned off.